I'm not sure if we're even on the air. This is a series of explosions.
This is a major incident.
Rumors of a boat from West Africa with persons on board suspected of being exposed to Ebola docking in Chagaramas.
So much the meteor hit. These pictures are just in from Verdun.
The quick coalition footage.
We've suffered millions of casualties. There are protests planned in 37 states.
That spark that was sparked off in Ferguson is now burning here in New York City.
Growing concern by citizens of the nation about the possibility of the Ebola virus reaching our shores.
How do you convince people that this is a fight that can be won?
Over 70 nations have joined the United Defence Force.
Carnival 2015 will be cancelled.
take a drink with somebody, jump around with somebody, bust a wine on somebody. I go keep you company.
stones up in the water, man. They got to throw stones in the water.